Dad, we saw last weekend Mike Tyson versus Jake Paul. What are the lessons to learn here? First, I want to clarify na Mike Tyson is a 58-year-old boxer. And actually, he has a lot of medical issues. In last June daw, he actually lost a lot of blood and a lot of weight, about 25 pounds because he got sick. And yet, he stood 8 rounds versus a significantly younger, more physically fit boxer. What can we learn from this, Dad?
Well, first of all, I also watched the competition, no? And we noticed that number one, Mike Tyson is very determined. At the same time, he still has a lot of boxing skills with him, no? His experience, his years of training is still there, no? That's why one lesson we can learn from this one is that determination can really play a big factor in winning a battle or going through a battle, sustaining a battle for that matter. In fact, we can also compare this to the movie of Rocky, no? Sylvester Stallone, the last one where he's already quite old, challenging and fighting a younger boxer, and yet he survived the rounds, no? Although of course at the end of the day, the younger boxer got the points, got the winning category, but he has displayed also similar determination and at the same time skills that are with him, no? So one lesson is number one, definitely determination. Second is the skills training set that will always be with you if you keep your discipline with you all the way. And number three, of course, not age will determine your success or failure, but rather it's your determination, your discipline, and your faith in yourself and faith in your creator to be able to get things done.
Dad, a lot of people were saying that this was a joke fight because they were having an old boxer fight someone very young. Much like the movie Rocky Balboa, they also said that was a joke. Would you say that it's even recommended that someone that old continue fighting?
Well, it depends, no? There are times when some people would like to prove something even if they're old, or sometimes because they want to deliver a message in doing their fight or going through a battle. So in this particular case, I would rather say that Mike Tyson did it because he still wants to prove that he can still fight, that he still have experience and still have determination to go through it. And we have seen that in spite of the fact that he's much older, during the earlier rounds, we have seen that he has scored quite a number of good points against the younger boxer Paul, no? So again, the lesson here that we would like to emphasize is that if you have determination and you have discipline and you have training and you have skill set that you have been with you for since your younger days, this is quite a classic case of success, in the sense that it's success because he was able to last the 8 rounds, he was able to sustain it, and he was able to deliver a lot of good blows against a younger boxer.
Well, there's your life lessons from Mike Tyson versus Jake Paul. I'm Solomon Say, your kuya ng bayan.
I'm Michael Sai, your dad ng bayan.